am Annie, and this is a guided meditation by Heal With You, where healing starts with you. Begin your meditation by finding a safe and quiet place where you can go for the duration of this meditation. Take a moment to make yourself comfortable, either laying down or sitting up with your spine lengthened. Many of us experience different symptoms that ebb and flow with our body's hormonal cycles. These cycles can be disrupted by pregnancy, stress, toxins, illness, hormone therapy, or simply our own genetics. The fluctuations can cause extreme changes in our physical and mental bodies, making us feel uncomfortable or unbalanced. This meditation is a simple way to remind you that this is perfectly normal. You never have to apologize for feeling this way, and that you are more than your thoughts and feelings. Stress in itself is a hormone disruptor, so allowing yourself this time to relax and seed your thoughts with positive thoughts about your body is a great way to help any hormonal disturbance. We will bring awareness into the pelvic area, where our reproductive organs are, and the brain, where a great deal of our hormones are managed, cleansing these areas of any stagnant energy and bringing overall relaxation to the whole body. Begin to observe your breathing, not trying to change it, just observing. Following it as it flows in and back out of your body, feeling the chest and the belly rise and fall. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out the mouth, feeling the air enter your body cool and warm as it passes back out again. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Allow your body to become more and more relaxed, your breath to become even and calm. Allow the sounds in the room to fade, and begin to bring your focus inward. Notice any remaining sensations, any feelings that uproot, and let your body and mind release them. Allowing yourself this time for you, allowing the thoughts of the day to pass. Bring your attention to your pelvic area, the bowl-shaped bone below your belly. Imagine this area filled with a bright white light. Imagine this light as liquid light, swirling away any darkness. Feeling this liquid light move outward from this area, growing larger and larger, until your whole body is covered in this cleansing white light. Bring your focus to your head. Visualize the white light centering here. Imagine it swirling away any stagnant energy, any emotions, any remaining thoughts, and allow this liquid light to cleanse it all away. Again, let the white light grow larger and larger as it moves outward to surround your whole body. Bring your focus back to your breath. With each breath out, imagine releasing any remaining tension. Breathing out any anger, any frustration, and any loss of control. With each breath in, imagine breathing in balance, stability, calm, and healing. The state of relaxation you are now in is the first step in balancing hormones. This state of relaxation allows you to tap into your body's own ability to heal naturally. While in a meditative state, the natural intelligence of your own body repairs any depression, mood swings, fatigue, insomnia, or any other symptoms of hormonal disturbances. The main cause of this stress is fear. So when we can relax, let go of fear, and come back to our breath, we can truly begin to heal in miraculous ways. Going inward, focusing on certain areas of our bodies, can also highlight things we need to bring up to medical professionals. Remember, if something doesn't feel right, it's worth mentioning to your doctor. You are the key factor to your own health. Bring your focus now back to your breath, taking a deep breath in and a long, deep breath out. Feel your body awaken. Make small movements with your fingers and toes. And if available, stretch your arms overhead and allow yourself to carry this inner calm with you throughout the rest of the day. Please click like, share, and subscribe to us on YouTube. You can also follow us on Instagram at Heal With You for inspirational posts, yoga, and new meditation announcements. And as always, remember, healing always starts with you.